is on AUD on what I expect to happen on probably Monday. We are not going to be trading on Monday because of the bank holiday that is happening. So probably Tuesday and Wednesday. So what I think is going to happen, and this might happen also on Monday. But what I'm expecting for this week is this. So let's drop down to a week, a week time frame. So that's the first thing we need to do. So right now we are doing a top-down analysis. You can see we are in a downtrend on GBP on AUD I'm sorry. So this is the BMS. We have the BMS here. Can you see? And we have the BMS here and the BMS here. So we have this swing high and this swing low now. It's not yet complete, but I will expect it to drop down more. Probably we are going to make a high around here. Can you see? We are going to make a high of the week around here. Then we should have our set of the week. So let's drop down to a day. So this is what a day is showing us. This is what a day is showing us. So probably if a day end up closing this way, moving these movements, we know a day has completed its swing low. So we expect the market to move towards this big fair value gap. Can you see? Towards this big fair value gap. Can you see? So we have this swing high and this swing low. If the day end up closing this way, but we don't know. But we are not going to be trading today because today is bank holiday. Most of it's bank holiday, so we are not going to be trading. It's not safe for us to trade. So let's drop down to 4 hours. And on 4 hours time frame, so on 4 hours time frame, we have this. This was our last week of structure, which is giving us this swing high and this swing low. Can you see? The market has opened already, and you can see the market moving towards this place. But I will be very happy. There's a liquidity around there, which I'm suggesting the market is coming for. So probably I'm expecting a buy to happen because of this liquidity. I'm buying up to this liquidity. But I'm not going to be trading because of the bank holiday that is happening. So if you can just today we might have a ranging, the market might range. So on Tuesday we might pick it up before we add our sell. So after we pick up this liquidity, I will expect us to have a sell around here. And if you check our day, so if the market end up closing this way, so if the markets end up closing this way, can we see we have our big fair value gap here to catch up with? So it's the same thing. As you can see, everything is going as planned. So let me show you the liquidity first, so you will know what I'm telling you. So there's probability that the market is coming up here to clear up this liquidity. So you can also check your chart also. So we have this our equal low here, equal high. We have this our equal high here. And if you are the type that trade ICT, you will know after going for our equal high or equal low, then we move to the opposite direction. So that's it. So as you can see, these are 4-hour swing high. But on 1 hour, that's not our swing high. On 1 hour, we've had the BMS here. Can you see? We've had the BMS here, and these are our swing low on 1 hour. Why this is our swing high? So if you can see it also, there's every probability that the market is moving towards this side on 1 hour also. If you can get what I'm trying to say here. So on 1 hour, there's high probability that the market is coming here. But at the same time, we might have a ranging throughout today. The market might 15-minute time frame. We are going to see this. So can you see the equal high? Can you see the equal high? So at the same time, I want us to come and take this. Then we are going to have our sell of the week. Do you understand? So I'm expecting a sell after this side has been taken. That's when I'm expecting myself. But if this side is taken first, then I will expect a buy up to happen. So if we move down here, then this side is taken first, a buy up is going to happen for sure. But I would like the market to pick up this side. We should first make a high of the week because we are in a new week. So we are going to make a high of the week around this fair value gap. And if you check also on 4 hours, our fair value gap, I guess is around here also. Our fair value gap is around here on 4 hours. So everything is going accordingly. Can you see? So that's my top down analysis on AUD USD. I will expect a sell to happen. So you can also check your charts. So whatever it is you are seeing, and apart from this liquidity, can you see? You also have 1 year. If you go down to 5 minutes, 1 minute, we have 1 year. Yeah. So if you can see here, you see this swing guy. There's a liquidity here before. The market pick it up with this swing guy, this 4 hour swing guy, this 4 hour swing guy, 4 hour swing guy. You can check it. That's 4 hour swing guy. So that's 4 hour swing guy EU. So after the market pick up this liquidity, it's possible the market is going to break this 4 hour swing guy before we start moving down. But you should expect the market to sell. That's what I just want you to know. So we might not have our sell today, it might be tomorrow, more on Tuesday, and it might be Wednesday. So that's it. So the market is open presently this Sunday night. The market is open. So and you can see the market moving towards here. And you see, well, we check on 15 minutes. We have our liquidity, our range in here. Sorry, can you see? We might have that throughout the day. I can't say. But all I want you to know is that after the market pick up this high, we are targeting this high now. That's what my eyes on. Our target is this high. We should pick up. We should pick it up. So, but if you are the type that's skilled on doing 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 bank holiday, you can check your chance. You might have a win. So I can't say, but it's safe if you move out of the markets if you don't wait for today. So can you say I expect a move up to happen here? We should clear this liquidity first. So before we start coming down. So once we clear this liquidity, we can expect a sell to happen. So that's it. So high of the week first. High of the week, don't remember because I want to take towards this liquidity. High of the week, but I'm not getting today. Don't forget that. So high of the week, we are going for that, and also the day, the high of the day, we're also going for that. So before we add ourselves, so we are coming here. That's what I'm thinking. So AED US is going to gain more strength. That's what AED is going to gain more strength. So that's so bank holidays on today. Let's check the forest so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Just like I said. So can you see bank holiday on CHF GBP, which is London bank holiday also. Here you have French bank holiday, German bank holiday, and USD bank holiday. And most of all my peers I trade them in New York section. So that's it. So I'm not trading today of the market, but I'm telling you what I expect AED USD to do. And if you check AED USD, I've been selling all this while. And you see, so possibly we are making high of the week or for the day around here. So let me mark it out on this 15 minutes. So you see it aligns with our 4 hours. Can you see? It aligns with our 4 hours. Can you see? You see? So let's check our day. Let's check our day. Can you see? Our day is at the same place. Can you see? That's our day. This favorable gap. This favorable gap. The market might not cover it up. Like you understand. So but at least I still expect it to move here. Then I'll wait for 15-minute change of character before I start myself. 15-minute change of character. I mostly use 15 minutes as my change of character. So that's what I'm expecting. And if you check a week or so, as I said, it's likely we make our. Can you see? Oh, it's not showing clear, but you can see this liquidity that I mark. Can you see? So high of the week first before we start moving now. That's what I think is going to happen on AED USD. So likely we are coming back to this low. That's my first target. You can see I mark out this place, but it might take days for it to come here. But here first. So it's step by step. So that's it. So thank you very much. So you can also check our other video